Go ahead and do exercise 5. Exercise 5 is really just a slight variation exercise 4, so I went ahead and copied the exercise 4 solution, so this is actually double. And the only thing we actually really have to edit here are the types. So this is going to be double value 1, double value 2, and double for the smaller, double for the larger, double for the sum, double for the difference, and double for the product. This is an important idea because what this is really demonstrating is that the type of the data that you're entering needs to change and needs to line up, but the logic itself here is inherently really just as it was with the previous exercise. And now that we've made those changes, because everything else is really the same, we don't actually have to make any changes. Actually, one minor one, we actually don't need this cast anymore. And so now everything else should just work. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let's run the code. And we'll enter two values. So let's start with 1, 2.34, and the second value will make it negative 5, 6, 7, 8. And we can see that this larger is 1234, small is 56, 78, negative. The sum, the difference, the product, and the ratio all looks good. Let's just do one more, like to run a couple of times. Really, the negative numbers are the problematic ones. So let's try with 0.045 and negative 0.123. The reason I do this is because when you do these kinds of values, it can get a little bit trickier for the calculations. And so we can see everything sort of works nicely. So looks like it's working, all good. Let's ship it.